Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Carmen Fragoso. I'm a professional dancer. Today I'm making a very special video to all of you who've been asking me to make a tutorial about how to dance KHALEEGY dance. I love KHALEEGY dance. I find it full of rhythm and very sensual and feminine. So I cannot teach you everything in one video, but I will start with the most important lesson you need to know if you want to dance KHALEEGY in a correct way. Are you ready for this secret? Dun, 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 dun. The secret is you always have to take the accent of your body down, down, always down. It doesn't matter the rhythm and it doesn't matter the speed of the song, if it's fast or medium or super slow. You always will take your body down. Always you will count down and down. So I've seen dancers performing KHALEEGY in the opposite way. They take the accent up like a jump, like jumping, dun, dun. And this is completely incorrect. Don't do it. It's not correct. So, yalla, follow me. Let's start. And close your feet, bend your knees, and you will start down and down and down and down and never straight your knees completely. When from here you never straight completely. I will make it in the side. One and one. Don't straight. Don't do this. Keep it bent. One and one and one and one and one. Other side. 1, 2, 3, in and down. And down and down and down and down. Close your feet and open, close, and open, close, and don't open too much. Okay? No. Always make small steps. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and side. Now move your hip. Move your hip. Relax. Yes, and try to move your whole body. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. You see? Accent down and accent down, accent down. Steps, side, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Side and side and side. Move your hip. Side and yeah, you see? Accent down. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, 1, back, and front, side and side and side, small steps, and take the accent down, and 1, and move your body with every step, and again, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and front and side and side and side, side and side. 1 and open and close, and open and close, and open back, open bend, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2 again, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 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 with your hips, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and hips, hips and back, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, to this flow of your body, to this bend, you will add now some shoulder moves. Down and down and down and down and down and it can be side and side, 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 walk back and down and down and down, back, down, 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 down. Also with the hands, move it free. These hands move free from side to side to side to side, from up and down, from up and down. 1, 1, 1, 2, alternate, 3, 4, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, the same arm, 1, 2, change, 1, 2, 1, 2, and down, up, and down, and up, down, up, down, and up, and down, up, and down, and up, and down, up, down, up. As you can see, you move your body all the time. You don't just lift one hand and your body like robot. No, all your body move. You see here, check this out. You're moving the accent down, but as well you move your hands and your neck and your hips. You see? So KHALEEGY dance is not all about the hair. We think like the hair is the most important, and it's not like this. KHALEEGY, it's about the whole body. Your feet, your hip, your shoulders, your neck, your hands, your expressions, and the hair is just a complement, an extra. but the whole thing about Khaleegi is the feminine movement of your body. Alright? So, let's continue. Once you have this movement, everything comes easier. The move of the shoulders, of the head, of the hands. But this is so important. Always make accent down. Okay? And start practicing with the steps, with the walk, spinning in your place, with shoulders. The important thing here is to have their flavor, you know, this thing in your body, so you don't look like robot, you know, like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. No. All right, so I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you enjoy it and you learn new things. If it was yes, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos and more material coming. Really do it from my heart. I want to share something with my dance community out there. All right, so practice. This is the key. Don't forget to always dance with your heart. Din. Big kiss, and I will see you very soon again. Ma salama.